Hi there, students. To rubberneck, a verb. Rubbernecking, the noun, the activity. Okay, the primary meaning of to rubberneck is to slow down when driving in order to see the scene of an accident. Let's see, you're driving down the road and there's an accident on the other side of the road, and everybody slows down and looks at the accident. It's like their necks are made of rubber. And that's the idea. Their neck is made of rubber because they're looking and want to see everything. Okay, so the drivers going the other way were rubbernecking, and that caused a traffic jam in the opposite direction. People rubbernecking can even cause further accidents. It's true. Let's see. Originally, rubbernecking, or to rubberneck, was used in the US to describe tour buses and tour vehicles that were showing tourists round a city, and they'd have a tour guide with a megaphone describing the sights, and the tourists would crane their necks in order to be able to see what the guide was talking about. So to crane your neck, to twist your neck this way and that in order to be able to see. Okay, so we can use to rubberneck, or originally it was used meaning to look around but in an unsophisticated manner, with curiosity and wonderment, maybe gaping inquisitively. Yeah, they were craning their necks, they were rubbernecking and gaping inquisitively at the sights. A rubberneck could also be a tourist on a guided tour. But nowadays, rubberneck, it's much more common with this syndrome of when people are driving and they slow down to look at or survey the scene of an accident that's happened in another lane or on the other side of the carriageway. Okay, so that's the meaning that's most commonly used, although you can use it, tourists rubbernecking round the city and taking photos of everything and anything. Notice to rubberneck is a regular verb. The drivers rubbernecked. The drivers have rubbernecked all day and caused this traffic jam. The next question is formality. I would give this a 3.5 in formality. This is slang. I think it's probably even non-standard. Use this informally, use this in conversation, but in a semi-formal or formal writing, you'll have to find another way of saying it because there's no individual verb to describe this. And then as to the origin, well, it's like the neck is made of rubber, and that's the idea. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To rubberneck, rubbernecking.